Okay, in this video, I'm going to go over how you should answer these questions for your assignment today. Now, we've done a bunch of these in class, but I wanted to go over it, and if you watch this video, you'll have the answer to number 1. So, everybody should have already read the text, okay? That's step 1, read the entire text. Now, when you go to answer your questions, I have a little rubric over here. In each question, you should restate it, answer it, have capital letters, and of course have punctuation. And that means periods or exclamation points, anything like that. So you can see I have my split screens. That way I can see the text and I can see the question at the same time. I think it's a lot easier than having to scroll up and down. So number 1, according to the text, why was Earth Day created? Now make sure you really focus on what the question is asking. It says, why was it created? Not where, not when. It says why. So I know that I need to restate the question. So I'm going to start by saying, according to the text, Earth Day. Notice Earth Day is capitalized as a proper noun. It's a special day. So according to the text, Earth Day was created. Now, I think I remember why they said it was created when I read it, but I'm going to go back in the text to make sure. So I'm going to look through, maybe reread some parts, and it's up here in this first paragraph. Wisconsin Senator Gaylord Nelson is credited as being the founder of Earth Day in America. It is said he started it because he wanted Americans to know the effects humans have on the environment. He worked hard to make people aware of it. So, according to the text, Earth Day was created. I'm going to say because, I'm going to say the founder wanted Americans to know the effects they have on the environment. Oop, and I spelled environment wrong, so I have to go back and fix it. Make sure there's no reason to have it spelled wrong if it's in the text or in the question. Okay, so I'm going to reread my answer. According to the text, Earth Day was created because the founder wanted Americans, I need to add S there, to know the effects they have on the environment. So I did copy it word for word, so I'm not putting quotation marks around it. And I also gave credit to the text when I said up here in the beginning. So that's all I need. I restated the question. According to the text, Earth Day was created. I answered it by saying the founder wanted Americans to know the effects on the environment. I have capital letters, one at the beginning. And then I also capitalized Earth and Day because, like we said, it's a proper noun. Capitalized Americans because that's also a proper noun. And I have a period at the end. And I also have a comma. So that question is all set. So then you would move on to your second question. And you're going to repeat this process for all of your 6 questions. Now, I just wanted to point out in number 2, what is the main idea of the passage? Use information from the text to support your answer. So for this one, on Tuesday, we talked about main idea. You're going to tell me what the main idea is. Then, where it says use information from the text to support your answers, that's going to be like your facts that prove to me that this story is all about what you just said. Because remember, main idea is what the passage is all about. The rest of them you should do well on. Make sure that you click that submit button at the bottom. And if you have any questions, you can message me.